Step forward if your mom and dad buy you what you want.
But you guys don't buy me it if you guys...
Huh?
Yeah, they buy me things. But not all I ask po.
Does your mom and dad buy you sometimes the things that you want? Yeah, I know. I saw the toys. I saw the dress.
Did we buy you things that you want, like bubbles or
Buy
slime
them.
sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, step forward. Okay, step forward if your mom and dad pick you up and drop you off to school.
Yeah.
Okay,
Step
step forward.
Yes.
Okay. Step forward if your mom and dad bring you pasalubong when they got home. Yes, they do. Step forward if your mom and dad hug you when you're crying.
Yeah.
Yes, step forward. Step forward if your mom and dad sings with you. Di ba they sing with you?
Soccer?
I know that.
Yes, you know that. Okay. Step forward if your mom and dad attend your school activities. Like you were dancing. Oh yes, you're stepping forward, best friend. Okay. Step forward if your mom and dad pray with you together. Okay. So now step forward if you know that your mom and dad really loves you very, very well unconditionally. Wow, you're so close. That's the end of the question. Don't you notice something?
Yeah, I know everything that my parents does to me.
Yeah, but didn't you see? These questions are all for you, and your parents did not step forward because they did not experience the things that you experience.
Kaya gano'n yung salita ko kasi nagsastutter ako kasi nagpipigil talaga ako kasi parang bigla na akong iiyak talaga ng sobra. Parang mas okay pa ako kay Papi tsaka kay Harvey sa sobrang nagpipigil ako. Parang hindi ko alam sasabihin ng utak ko na nahihirapan akong iproseso kasi ang sakit-sakit ng tanong ko.
Look at your parents.